This right here has to be the best modification for a Jeep Wrangler any year, 2007 to 2025. It's called the drip strip. And guys, you know when it rains and you open your door, you get this waterfall that just comes down from this corner and you got to cross it, or the wife's got to cross it, and there's always a problem. Well, we've got what's called the drip strip, and this is an engineered piece of rubber that gets mounted to the windshield A-pillar, right? So double-sided tape, it gets mounted here, and what it does is it curls underneath your hardtop, and then right here it hugs tight on your windshield. So if you have a hardtop or a soft top, it doesn't even matter which one, the water that runs off the edge of it, instead of it coming to the end here and just kind of like jumping off a cliff and doing that and just dripping, well, this drip strip here is there to catch it, almost like gutters on a roof. Water comes off of here, water comes off of the edge of the windshield, and now it gets caught right in this piece of rubber that then takes the water down the windshield and to the outside of the vehicle, which is amazing. Let me show you how this works. Basically, water typically comes off your windshield and then comes off of your freedom panel or your soft top, and it'll just drip from here. That's not going to happen anymore. Watch what happens. The water's going to get caught in the drip strip. Can you see that? This corner here? It's going to caught in the drip strip and it gets funneled straight down your windshield. This right here is a game changer because you no longer have the water dripping here, and that also, that excessive amount of water that ends up dripping here is also the reason that your floorboards are wet. So installing the drip strip is like installing gutters on a house, right? It catches all of the water, same thing that comes off of the top of the windshield there. You see that? I get the water going, it just catches it all. I mean, it's hard to deny what's happening here. All of that water is getting caught in that drip strip, and that ends that problem. There you have it, the drip strip.